Hey, what up guys, how's it going? Okay, yeah, I've actually been waiting for this accessory. I got my Model 3 last week and then I ordered a couple of accessories, but I actually ordered this one like 3 weeks ago. And to me, this is probably one of the best accessories for the Model 3, and it is a really good sunshade. Yes, this one is made by Covercraft. I bought mine from carid.com, and there's a link below. And they sell it other places. You can even buy it directly from Covercraft, but I had a coupon lingering around, so I went to carid.com. Now, something that I want to tell you about this sunshade, now I'll unbox it, we'll get into it, but something that I want you to know, it is really one of the best sunshades I've ever used. I've been using sunshades, you know, to cover the front windshield when your car is parked and it's hot outside. I've been using one of those for years and years and years. My wife got a new car a couple months ago. I bought one of these, and let me tell you, do not expect these right away. You know, with the days of Amazon Prime and same day delivery and stuff like that, we're so used to getting everything so quick. These guys, I don't know if they're little Keebler elves or minions, but they don't start making this literally until you order it. So you're not gonna get this for minimum 14 days. I would say expect anywhere from 14 to 28 days before you get this. So yeah, but it is superior to every other sunshade I've ever had. And you can get it in a variety of colors. My wife has a rose colored one because her car is red, kind of cool. This one I just got in a silver. All right, I talked too much. Let's get into it. All right, guys. That looks like my receipt. Some packing stuff. Now I think it was $6 extra that I paid for this. Let's go ahead, open this. I want you guys to see this. And here it is. Okay, and this color is silver, and it is silver. My wife has a red one, looks pretty cool. It's more of a rose or blush, I believe they call it. More of a light red, hers is. And you see the stitching, the soft material around here, but it's very durable, strong, well built. And like I said, they don't make these until you order, and they have the dimensions of your car, and it is cut out specifically for your vehicle. Like this cutout here goes around the autopilot stuff and the rear view mirror for the Tesla Model 3. Very well built, durable. And yeah, on the back of here, you'll see this gray soft material. You see the stitching that they've done here. And yeah, so you don't have to worry about this scratching your vehicle at all. So anyways, I just wanted you guys to see what it looked like. And believe me, when you throw this thing up in the windshield, it's like a solar eclipse. It's just blackness. Very, very well built. And yeah, so let's go down to Pegasus and throw this in the windshield and see what it looks like. Okay, so in my garage. Let's go ahead and grab the sunshade. We're just gonna fold it out like an accordion here. Okay. And as you can see, we're gonna come up here. See how well that fits, and then we'll fold the visors down so it stays. And same on the other side here. And as you can see how well it fits. All the way down at the bottom, all the way there, all the way to the right side. It is like a true custom fit. Let me back up so you can see a little better. And there it is. I told you it's like a solar eclipse. So anyways, I just wanted to show you guys that sunshade. It's by far my favorite accessory. It's pretty awesome. Alright guys.